After the storm, all the locals come out to drink, even those, like this rattlesnake, who usually stay hidden. For this roadrunner, the rain presents more than just a chance to quench his thirst. He has his eye on a female, but despite his best efforts at personal grooming, she's not interested. The rain has brought out what he needs to impress his lady. Food. The perfect gift for a first date? A scorpion. No luck there. How about a juicy lizard? Surely this will win her heart. I mean, who couldn't resist fresh lizard delivered with a shake of the tail? She's leading him on a dance. She's interested. But there's trouble ahead. The rattler's still out. The shock puts her off romance. It's too bad, but no unwanted gift should go to waste. Especially in the desert, where the good times usually don't last long.